With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Given problem is a buffer solution is made by mixing a weak acid HA whose Ka value is 10 to the power minus 6 with its what should be the acid amount of acid or salt that should be made to add to make 90 ml of buffer solution in which 0.1 mole of strong acid are added into 1 liter of this buffer solution, then change in pH is unity. So first we write for 90 ml here. So for 90 ml of the solution, the number of moles acid or base are required here. These are required are 90 ml multiply with, this is the volume, so this multiply with 0.1 mole here, 0.1 mole divided by this 100 into 1, so this is total 1000. 1 liter is equals to 1000 ml, so this is in ml, so ml and ml get cancelled. This is answer in moles. So how many moles? This is 10 to the power 0.1 and this is 90, so 1 0 and 0 will be cancelled. This is 10 to the power minus 3, so this value will be millimoles. So if this is 9 millimoles, then we can say that to change, hence here we can write hence to change pH for 1 liter, to change pH for 1 liter of solution by 1 unit, 0.1 mole, this is given in the problem, 0.1 moles of acid and base, of acid or base are required. So finally we can say that that's why finally the number of moles of acid, the number of moles of acid or base required by 1 liter of a buffer solution for changing pH by 1 unit. That's why this is the correct answer. This is also says, so the answer of the problem is yes, this is the correct option. So this is statement is correct. Yes, thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.